Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Everybody calls me Cajun, so you can call me Cajun too. So, I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing. I know y'all probably seen this 50 times, so I'm just go with it. It is Jewel of the Sea. I've been wanting her, and I bought her. Yeah, I bought her from a person because before you could even blink your eyes, they was out at Diamond Art Club. So I bought her from somebody. Now, there she is. And I'm going to open it. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show y'all the painting. And I'm going to show y'all all the... I'm not taking out the drills. Y'all know the drill. I'm not taking out the drills. But I will show y'all the colors. So this is a square Diamond Art Club painting. This is called Jewel of the Sea, and it is by Hannah Lynn. Hannah Lynn is the artist. She is compensated for her artwork by Diamond Art Club. So she is licensed, or Diamond Art, yeah, she is. Diamond Art Club is licensed, yeah, to sell her stuff. So the size is 25.6 inches by 31.9 inches. And the centimeters are 65 by 81 centimeters. So yeah, and look at her. But we're gonna look at her now up close. The box came and look, it was all bent and all. The paper was half off, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure she's safe. So let's check it out. I think the mailman messed up my box. But it's okay. As long as the painting is okay, I'm okay with the box. I don't care. Good Lord, y'all. It's big. Okay. So. Oh my God. This is the sticker. Jewel of the Sea. She is a mermaid. Look how pretty she is. She's pretty on this. I can't wait to open her. Comes with this toolkit. I'm going to open it because I want to see the washi tape and the cover minder. I'm so excited to see the cover minder. Comes with baggies, plastic baggies. The washi tape is leaves. Look how cute. Or is it coffee bean? No, that's leaves. That's leaves. That's leaves. Look, 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 look. Yes. It's some leaves, y'all. Heart shape filled wax. Yes. Yes. Heart shape filled wax. Squishy tray for your drills. It is a square, so it comes with a pair of tweezers and a four-placer for your drills, a four-placer and a single placer with a pin. And it's a blue pin. I got the squishy to match. And then we got a 7-placer as well. I like to keep the 4-placers out. And the cover minder, the cover minder is an orange rose. Oh, it's so cute. I didn't have an orange one. I had other colors, purple, I think. So pretty. Orange is pretty. So that is in the toolkit. That's all you need to diamond paint. Everything you need to diamond paint's in here. I'm going to put everything back real quick. Except the washi tape. Because I use a lot of washi tape. You can use the washi tape to section off your canvas, or you can put it around your canvas for, because on the sides the poured glue goes over, because it is poured glue. And so you can use it to cover that. So we're going to open this one up, and we're going to see what it's all about. And I'm gonna have to put y'all down because I don't have room to stand up right here. I don't have much room. Voila. Lord, it's cute. Oh my God. I freaking love it. Y'all. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all the drills last though. Okay, it comes with a pamphlet. It says thank you. And as you all know, I'm sure y'all seen this a million times, but they have other people that unbox them like every single, all the time. So they have instructions on what to do and whatnot. And a little thank you message, and they got a coupon in there, like you save 10%. So y'all, if y'all order one, look for that. And this is the photo and all of the colors. Look how pretty she is. Oh my goodness. She's gorgeous. Look how pretty. Look at all those colors. Y'all wait till y'all see the canvas. See these pretty colors on this legend right here? Oh my gosh. On the stickers. The stickers is, I use these to stick on my, to kit them up. So, and it tells you a start date. You can put your start date, your end date. Gives you the title, who it's by. So, you know, keep track of it. Of when you started, when you ended and all that. Put that in your logbook. So, yeah. Yo, let me see if I can do this, okay? So, I'm going to do the best I can. Y'all have to just bear with me. Because she's big. This is her. Look how pretty. I'm gonna go do my best to show y'all every portion of the canvas, okay? The drill field, of course, of Diamond Art Club is very clear. I mean, as y'all can see. Diamond Art Club, at the top, it says do what makes you sparkle. And it has Diamond Art Club. Their edges are scalloped and poked so it does not come unraveled. They have a legend on the top, on the left side, and a legend at the bottom right. So I'm going to show y'all her slowly. I hope y'all can see her good. And then I'll point the camera down so y'all can see her as well. So I want to make sure y'all see all of her. Y'all see the octopus and the turtle and the ocean, all the coral. Look, the dolphin. All the coral, all the jellyfish. Her mermaid outfit. Look her pretty eyes and her pretty hair. She's cute. She is so stinking cute. Look her tail. Look her pretty tail. Don't y'all just love that though? Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. Look the fish. So cute. Look the clownfish back there. All of these fish. So cute. All the coral in the background, the ocean. Look, the sea turtle. All the jellyfish on this side as well. And she's holding a shell with a pearl in it. Look her pretty hair. Oh my gosh. Look at those colors. I hope y'all could see those colors. Oh my God, because they're so pretty. Y'all couldn't wait to open this. Y'all know how hard this was for me? Oh my goodness, so pretty. Look the top. Y'all, I love it. It's so pretty. At the bottom of the canvas, it gives you a thumbnail. And it tells you that this is a Diamond Art Club painting. and the name of it. And there's the thumbnail. Excuse my nails, y'all. I miss. So look at all these colors. My goodness. I love it. I love her whole self. Everything's so colorful. All of hers, beautiful. She has 59 colors. 59 colors. Yes. And let me see if I can put it down so y'all can kind of see her sideways, okay? Give me a second. So if y'all want to see her, I don't know if y'all can, but I'm going to do my best, y'all. She's so cute. I'm going to turn her this way. Y'all could see her bottom portion. She is so stinking cute. Look at her colors. Y'all can really, really, really see her colors. All the pretty colors throughout the whole canvas. And this diamond painting has, I think, 5 ABs. 4 ABs, I think. 4 ABs. I'm going to make her go down the table so y'all can see her really good. I'm moving her slow enough to where y'all could see everything, y'all. Y'all, she's so beautiful. Oh my God, she's so pretty. I love it. Love, 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 love her. She's so pretty. I hope y'all can see all of her. Look at the dolphin. Y'all, it's, oh man, this is going to be really pretty. And it doesn't look, it's not a whole bunch of confetti. Like, it's not like a whole bunched up. It's like, I like it like this. It's not going to be as difficult to work on. Because like the one I'm working on right now, poof, it's a lot of color changing in her hat. It's the little Gracie the gardener. And my goodness. So that's her, and I'm going to show y'all the drills for her. Let me pick y'all back up. So, did y'all like her? She's beautiful. Now I'm going to show y'all the drills, and y'all should see these colors. Oh my God, there's so many colors. Look. Oh, some's falling out somewhere. Shoot. Ugh, I hope I didn't lose. No, I'm going to have to check it out. Well, as long as it's in here. But look at all these colors, y'all. Look at these colors. So, so, so pretty. And look, that's the famous ocean color. Art Club. Beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. Look at the purples and the yellows and the blues. Pinks, greens. Look at those big old bunch of colors. Oh my gosh. Light blues, dark blues, purples, yellows, reds, oranges. I mean, just amazing colors. Oh my God. That's a nice color palette. Very, very nice color palette right here. Look at that. Beautiful colors. I love it. Beautiful. Y'all can see them better like this, probably. That's a pretty colors, y'all. And they're so shiny. So we have yellow ABs. We have, let me see. Ugh. We have yellow, pink, purple, and white. Yellow, pink, purple, and white ABs. So y'all can about imagine what that's going to look like. And they probably spread out all over the place. Oh, I can't wait to do it. Well, I say white. It must be blue. Light blue. 125. Yeah, it's these. These are ABs right here. It looks like a white, but it's a light blue. Very, very light. So pretty. So that's the drills for it. Jewel of the Sea. It comes labeled with this so you don't lose your drills to your canvas. So yeah, that's her. And I appreciate y'all coming by and checking her out. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Now I really want to kit her up. Y'all know how I am. I have 15 kitted up and not going to complete not a single one. You know, but oh well. Y'all leave me any comments in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think about her. Let me know if y'all... I know other people have shown her. But I'm just asking y'all to leave comments in the comment section below. Because I like to read y'all comments. I always read y'all comments. And let me know what y'all think. So thank y'all for joining me. And like I said, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the subscribe and hit the like button. And yeah, don't forget that I do have a Diamond Painting Cajun Facebook page. And it's called Diamond Painting Cajun. God, I don't know why I can't talk today. Oh my God. So it is called Diamond Painting Cajun. And yes, I'm in the same shirt as the other video because yes, I filmed them back to back. So, you know, whatever. So y'all go check out my Facebook group and join. And y'all can post any crafts y'all want on there. It doesn't matter to me whether y'all color, y'all cross stitch, y'all sew. I don't care what y'all do. Crochet, whatever y'all do. Put it on there. I like to see what y'all working on, what y'all doing. This is, look, I'm good with whatever. As long as it's not bad or rude or anything like that. As long as it's a craft and it's, you know, decent craft. Y'all welcome to put it on there. So yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think about her. Tell me what y'all think about her. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, you guys. Love y'all.